Hi everyone, welcome to the new lecture of AWS certification. Today we are going to learn about security group. Basically is the introduction of the security groups. Security groups are the fundamentals of network security in AWS. They control how the inbound or outbound traffic is controlled in a EC2 machine. As you know, we covered the EC2 machine creation in the last lecture, and today we are going to focus on the first part of the security groups. It's really important to understand the security groups because it's going to help us in the network troubleshooting issues in future. In this lecture, we are also going to learn how to use the allow or deny of inbound and outbound ports. So let's do the practical now. I'm already logged in my AWS console, so you can see it's the same EC2 instance we created in the last lecture. So if you see in the machine, you can see the security group. So we have one default security group which was created. If we check this security group in inbound rules, which is the inbound connection, you can see SSH port is allow and the source is 0000. That means anyone over the internet can connect to this particular machine. And if you go, all the outbound ports are allowed from this machine. So let's first test this. So let me open PuTTY, try to connect to this EC2 instance. As you can see, I'm able to log in on my EC2 instance on port 22 without any problem. So let's do one thing. Go to edit inbound rules and delete this rule. So if you see, there is no inbound rule. And now try to do the same thing because I have deleted the inbound rule for this machine on port 22. So let's try to do SSH to this machine. If you see now, as I have deleted the inbound security group rule, so the machine is that we are not able to connect to the machine because the port 22 is not allowed to be in the inbound rule. So what we need to do, we need to go to first let me close this. As you can see, we get the timeout because the rule is deleted. So we need to go to edit inbound rules, add rules. So always use TCP, and for the convenience of the user, by default the ports are given, or if you have a custom port because you are going to run services which could be running on the custom port, so you can do a custom configuration as well. So let's go select the SSH port. It fills the information by default. So the protocol is TCP, port is 22. Source, you can put custom source as well, but I'm going to put 000 because I want to allow everything. And description, SSH port, save rule. So we created the inbound rule. Now try to do the same thing. EC2 -user. and you can see now I'm able to connect to the machine. So basically it's a filtering on the EC2 instance, that what ports, traffic from what points are allowed in the machine. So it's super important to learn security groups, because by this you are going to handle the security and the network of your EC2 instance. So we just created for the SSH in this lecture. In the coming lectures we will do more deep dive in this service, and we are going to create inbound rule for custom port as well as for other services as well. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and also subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Have a good day.